Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for x in square root of x plus square root of minus x equals 32. So let's say solution. We have square root of x plus square root of minus x equals 32. So from here, we say square root of x equals 32. So let's transfer this square root of minus x to the side. It becomes minus square root of minus x, right? So from here, by squaring both sides, we will have square root of x squared equals 32 minus square root of minus x squared. So we know this, we cancel this. So we are left with this. And to expand this, let's recall that if you have x minus y squared, this is equals x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. So applying this to this, we will have x equals, we'll have 32 square plus square root of minus x square minus 2 times 32, right? Then times square root of minus x, right? So this will be x equals 32 square will give us 1024 plus, we know this will cancel this, so we'll be left with minus x. This minus 2 times 32 will give us minus 64. Then we have times square root of minus x. So this becomes x equals 1024 plus times minus, we have minus x, right? So minus 64 square root of minus x. So we can transfer this x to this side. So it becomes x plus x equals 1024 minus 64 square root of minus x. So x plus x will give us 2x, right? So equals, so from here you will observe that we have a common factor here, and that is 2. So if we factorize 2 out, we have 2 multiplied by 512 minus what we left here, we have 32 square root of minus x. So from here we divide both sides by 2, right? Divide both sides by 2 and this by 2. So we know this will cancel this and this will cancel this. So we'll have x equals 512 minus 32 square root of minus x. So from here, we can transfer this to this side. So we have x minus 512 equals minus 32 square root of minus x. Again, to move further, we have to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we'll have x minus 512 square equals minus 32 square root of minus x square. So here you have to note that if you have xy raised to power n, this is the same as having an equals to x raised to power n, then y raised to power n. So expanding this, we will have x square plus 512 square minus 2x multiplied by 512 equals, so applying this to this, we have minus 32 square times square root of minus x square. So we have it like this. So this now becomes x square plus 512 square. So if we expand this, we will have 2 times x times 512, we have minus 1024x equals, this square will give us 1024. So that is minus, this square will cancel this square, so we have minus x, right? So now we have x square plus 512 square equals, we want to transfer this to the other side. So we have 1024x plus this will be minus 1024x, right? So we will have x square plus 512 square equals 1024x. So plus times minus will give us minus 1024x. So from here we will have x square plus 512 square equals, this minus this will give us 0, right? So and if you collect the light and you transfer this to the other side, we have x square equals minus 512 square. So since we want to find the value of x, so to get the value of x, we have to square root both sides. Square root both sides. And if you do, we are going to have square root of x square equals square root of minus 512 square. Here you observe that this we cancel this, right? So and we have x equals minus 512 square can be expressed as 512 square times square root of minus 1. But recall from complex number that our I, which is iota, equal to square root of minus 1. So we have x to be equals square root of 512 square times I. So here you observe that this will also cancel this. So we have x equals 512 times I. So we have plus or minus 512 I. So this is your final answer. So thank you for watching. My great fans, you can now send super to support this channel. It helps me to keep creating more content you love. I see every super thanks, and I will make sure to give you a shout out in my next videos. Bye.